presentation for today. Okay, guys, remember today we have homework. Okay, the homework is on the platform. Yes, so once that we finish with the class, you can go to the platform on activities, okay, and do your homework and send me the evidence, okay, through the digital platform, or send me a message as you wish, okay? Yes, guys? So today we have homework, okay? Mario, your audio, please. Very happy, Santa, okay? Okay, guys, let me do this very quick. Okay, there you go. Okay, guys, so let's start. Welcome to our online class. This is your English class, okay? Our end in mind for today is read a model test and analyze it. Okay, read a model test and analyze it. This is our end in mind for today. Pay attention, guys, okay? What is our agenda for today? Present pictures about a recipe. A recipe, okay? Present pictures about a recipe. Discussion about dishes you like to cook. Follow the steps of a good recipe.
Yo también.
Mariana, your audio, please, Mariana. Thank you. Follow the steps of a good recipe. Examples to identify parts of a recipe. Write in order parts of the recipe in your language notebook. Finally, answer activity 2 at page 66 and activity 3 at page 67. Okay, guys, so let's start with the number 1. Present pictures about a recipe. Mariana, your audio, please. You don't have to activate your audios, okay, guys? Okay, there you go. They are preparing a delicious recipe. Guys, I want you to participate and tell me, what is a recipe? What is a recipe? They are preparing a delicious recipe. Okay, Aldo, thank you. What do you think is a recipe? Is a what, Aldo? Receta, you said? Receta, exactly, recipe. Okay, don't activate your audios and repeat after me. Recipe.
Recipe.
Okay.
Recipe.
Recipe.
Recipe. Recipe.
Recipe.
Recipe.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, thank you. That's enough, okay? Thank you very much. So, recipe is a receta. Okay, let's continue. Let me erase this, okay? Next, the family is preparing a recipe. The family is preparing a recipe. Okay, as you can see, guys, they have all well organization. Okay, yes. Your audio, guys, please. Yeo, your audio, Yeo, please. Okay, guys. Okay, there you go. The family is preparing a recipe. So, as I mentioned before, as you can see, all of them have a well organization. Okay, they are in what part? Are they in the school? No. Where are they? There is a specific place at home. What is that place? Nicole, thank you.
The kitchen.
Exactly, they are preparing a recipe in the kitchen. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Let me, I cannot erase this. Let me share again the presentation, okay? Don't worry, give me just a few seconds. Okay, there we go. Okay, very good. So let's continue, guys, okay? So as we said, Nicole, they are preparing a recipe in the kitchen. Very good. A recipe, what exactly is a recipe, guys? A recipe tells you how to prepare a specific dish. Okay, what is a dish? Recipe is receta. So, what is a dish, guys? What is a dish? What is a dish, guys? Who knows this answer? What is a dish? Who wants to participate today? What is a dish? Nobody knows what is a dish? For example, if I say, I would like to cook tacos dorados. So what is a dish? Nobody? Who says me? No, guys? Okay, Emmanuel. What is a dish, Emmanuel?
The pizza.
Okay, that is a dish that would you like to cook. Okay, very good. But what is a dish? Dish means platillo. Okay, a specific dish. Un platillo específico. Okay, yes, guys? Very good. Thank you, Emmanuel. Okay, so let's continue. So, recipe, receta. Dish, platillo. Okay, so let's continue. What are the most important elements that a recipe have? One is ingredients. Okay, who knows what are ingredients? What's the meaning of ingredients, guys? What is the meaning? Exactly, ingredients are a list of what you need for your dish. Okay, are a list of what you need for your dish. Okay, steps. The steps tell you how to prepare your audios, guys. Michelle, thank you. Okay, the steps tells you how to prepare the dish in this part. You need to use transition words, which help us to link ideas in chronological order. Okay? So, do you guys know what are the transition words? Do you have an idea, for example? Nobody knows what are transition words? Nobody has an idea? Angel Cortez, thank you. What are transition words? No, Angel? Okay, let me give you guys the... don't worry, okay? I am explaining you guys what are transition words. Copy these, guys, in your language notebook. The title is Transition Words. This is the title, okay? Transition words. So, what are exactly the transition words? Copy this in your language notebook, okay? Let me write them down. Those are first, okay, then, next, and finally. Those are transition words. Okay, copy these, guys, in your language notebook. Very fast, you have only 1 minute, okay? 1 minute to copy this. Your title is transition words. Copy this, please. Very fast. When you finish, write in the chat. Finish, teacher. Don't activate your audios, okay? When you finish, write in the chat, okay? Una vez que terminemos, chicos, de copiar, escribimos en el chat finish, ¿ok? No es necesario activar los audios. Copy this, please, transition words. These transition words will help us to follow a sequence of our recipe, ¿ok? Ready, guys? Finished? 30 seconds only. Very fast, Aldo. Do it quickly, guys. Do it quick. Transition words. First, then, next, and finally. As I told you guys, this will help us to follow a sequence in our recipe, okay? Thank you, Vale. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Emmanuel. Very good. Excellent.
Teacher, ¿nos puede dar otros minutos?
Only 30 seconds, okay? Only 30 seconds. Thank you, Saul. Okay, Lalito. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Angel. You finished. Thank you. 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. Write only the title, okay? Write only the title. Fecha y margen al final, chicos, okay?
Ya había escrito las palabras de ahí. Las estoy escribiendo.
Okay, Aldo, come on. You can do it. Very, very fast, guys. The language notebook, David, please. The language notebook, okay? Copy this in your language notebook. Ready? Okay, Baez, thank you. Thank you, Cash. You finished, thank you. Okay. Braulio, please activate your camera.
Finish.
Okay, guys, thank you. All of you have finished, okay? So, let's continue, guys, okay? So, let's continue, okay? I'm going to erase the board. Let's continue. Example of a recipe. Example of a recipe, okay? As you can see, guys, in the picture that it's on the left on your screen, okay, there is a sequence of a recipe, okay? They are doing what? They are preparing what? They are preparing a sandwich, as you can see in the picture. So it says how to make a sandwich. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread. This is an example, guys, okay? So pay attention. 2 slices of bread, mayonnaise, ham, cheese, and lettuce. Okay, Emmanuel, your audio, please. Thank you. What are the steps, guys? First, you need to spread the mayonnaise on the slices of bread. Okay, this is the first step. Then, you need to put the ham on top of the mayonnaise. Okay, one of the loaf, and cheese on the other loaf. Okay, next, you place lettuce on top. And finally, you put the pieces together and you get a delicious ham sandwich. Yes, guys? Can you see the procedure to prepare a delicious sandwich? Okay, something that I would like to say, guys. The transition words, the ones that you copy, they are in this part. Can you see them? First, then, next, and final. Ya observamos, chicos, en qué parte de mi receta estamos poniendo estas palabras de transición. Ya observamos todos. Show me your fingers. Show me your fingers. Yes? Yes, guys? ¿En qué nos están ayudando estas palabras de transición? Who wants to say? Who wants to participate? Who says me? What are these transition words for? Ángel, thank you, Ángel.
Seguir un
Okay, there you go. Okay, again, repeat, please, Ángel.
Seguir una secuencia, Miss.
Exactamente, seguir una secuencia. Para eso nos van a ayudar estas palabras de transición. Ok, first, then, next, and finally. Yes, and very good, Cortez. Thank you. Do you guys understand what are the transition words for? Yes? Show me your fingers. Are they easy to identify or so-so? Easy or so-so? They are easy, right? Okay, very good. So let's continue with this, guys, okay? Write in order parts of the receipt. Write in order parts of the receipt, okay? We have finally, next, steps, then, ingredients, and first. Which word, Yesenia, your audio please, Yesenia. Thank you. Which word goes first? As it says in my instructions, we have to order parts of the recipe. Tenemos que ordenar las palabras que tenemos aquí, chicos, en verde, las estrellitas que tenemos verdes, ¿ok? What is first? ¿Qué va primero, chicos? What goes first? Who says me? What goes first? Okay, Nicole, thank you.
Okay. Finished.
Okay, ingredients. Okay, Nicole, very good. What goes next? What is the next word?
Then.
No, steps. Okay, first, ingredients. Yes, Nicole? Then, steps. Okay, now the transition words. What is the first transition word? What is the first transition words, Nicole? The number one. First, okay. Then, what is the next one? After first, what goes?
Stepped.
Then, next, and finally. Yes? So the number one is ingredients. The number two is steps. The number three, first. Number four, then. Number five, next. And the number six is finally. Yes, Nicole? Are we clear, guys? Yes, show me your fingers. Okay, let's continue. Thank you. It says, let's look at the following picture, guys, to write the correct word from the box. Okay, in the box we have the words finally, ingredients, first, next, and then. So, take a look at the following picture, guys. Take a look. Okay? Which word goes with each picture? What word goes in this? I'm going to show you, okay? What word is this? This is what? Okay, Lalo, thank you. What is this, Lalo?
Los ingredientes.
Ingredients, okay, Lalo? Very good. Excellent, Lalito. Next, what is this? What is this, guys? Who says me? Who wants to participate? Okay, Aldo, thank you. This is first. Very good. What goes next? What is this one? What is this word, guys? Who says me? Volunteers or victims?
Then.
Okay, Mariana, thank you. Then, exactly. Then, very good, okay? Excellent, guys. What is this word? What's this, guys? This is what?
It's
Next. Exactly. This is next. Very good. And finally, what is this? Obviously, finally. I give you the answer, guys, okay? I apologize for that, okay? So, the number one is, which is the number one, guys? Which is the number one? This is the number one, right? This is the number one, so let me write it down for you to identify them in a chronological order, okay? Don't write, okay, thank you. This is the number one, okay? This is the number one, guys, which is ingredients, okay? This is the number two, first. This is the number three, then this is the number four, next, okay? And this is the number five, finally. Okay, guys? So this is the following sequence that you have to follow to make a recipe. Yes, guys, to prepare a recipe. So let's continue, guys. Let's open your learning logbook, please, on page 66, please. Open your learning logbook on page 66. Let's go to the exercise number 2. Are you there? Show me your fingers. Are you on page 66? All of you? Yes? Open your books, guys, please. Page 66. Who wants to read instructions? Who says me? Kashmir. Thank you, Kash. Can you help me to read instructions in exercise number 2?
Read the sentences and underline the correct option. Then get together with a classmate and compare answers.
And compare answers. Very good, Kash. Thank you. Read the sentences and underline the correct option. We have to underline the correct option, okay? Then get together with a classmate and compare your answers. So, the number 1, I'm going to read the number 1 and you have to tell me which option is the correct one. So, listen attentively, guys. The test explains how to make a dish or play a sport. Raise your hand. Raise your hand, guys. Volunteers or victims? Volunteers or victims? Okay, Yesenia, thank you. The test explains how to make a dish or play a sport, Yesenia. Which is the correct answer?
play a store.
No, play a sport. Are we going to play football or are we going to make a dish, a delicious dish?
Make a dish.
Exactly, make a dish. This is the correct option, Yesenia, okay? Thank you. Underline the number 1, guys, okay? Underline the number 1. Yes? Let's continue with the following one, okay? Who says me? Who wants to read it? Who wants to read it? Sandra, thank you.
Make a dish.
Okay, yes, but let's continue with the following one, Sandra. You have to read this. Okay, you have to read this one, the one that I checked with color red. Okay, this kind yes, Sandra? You have to read it.
The text explains how to make a dish.
The number 2, Sandra. We are in the number 2. This kind of test is called instructions or a recipe? What is this, Sandra? Instructions or a recipe? What is this?
Instructions.
No, it's not instructions.
Recipe.
Who knows the... I'm sorry. This is a recipe, exactly, okay? As we said at the beginning, a recipe. Okay, very good. Thank you, Sandra. Next, Baez, the number 3. Baez, the number 3, please. Activate your audio. There you go. Okay, activate your audio, Baez. Okay, thank you.
This recipe explains how to make a snack.
A snack. Excellent. You did very well. Thank you. Let's continue. Geo. Geo, the number 4, please.
This dish has 6 different.
No, the correct answer is 4. 4, okay? 4 is the correct answer. Thank you, Geo. Thank you so much, Geo. Your audio, thank you. Okay, guys, so copy the answers, okay? The number 1 is make a dish. The number 2 is a recipe. The number 3 is snacks. And the number 4, 4. Yes, guys? May I erase the board, all of you? May I erase the board? Yes, Pao? Yes, guys? Okay, very good. Okay, guys, very good. So let's continue. Now, let's go to the exercise number 3. Okay, let's go to the exercise number 3. Who wants to read instructions, guys? Who wants to read instructions? Who says me? Nicole? Oh, okay. Nicole, read it and then we continue with Emmanuel and Mariana, okay? You guys are going to read number 1 and number 2, okay? Nicole, please read instructions.
Yes, teacher. Match the next in each column to complete the sentences. Use the information in the recipe.
Exactly. Thank you. Very, very good, Nicole, okay? Match the text in each column to complete the sentences. Use the information in the recipe. Okay? Erase this, guys, por favor. No me rayen la pantallita. Borren lo que está en rojo porque yo no puedo borrarlo. Okay, thank you. So, the number 1, it says, the name of the dish described in the recipe is raisins and granola. This is letter A. Letter B, to divide the mixture into 12 cups. Letter C, muffin snacks. Or letter D, the ingredients and the steps to follow. Which is the correct answer, guys? Which is the correct answer? Who says me? Sin rayar la pantallita, chicos, porque todos lo observamos. So, what is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer, guys?
Let's see.
The number, exactly. The number 1 is the letter C. Okay, so you have to match, please. The number 1 goes with the letter C. Okay, let's continue, please, Emmanuel, with the number 2, Emmanuel. Okay, can you read it, please, Emmanuel?
Some ingredients for the recipe are.
Okay, some ingredients for the recipe are raisins and granola, to divide the mixture into 12 cups, or letter D, the ingredients and the steps to follow. Which is the correct answer? Who knows the answer?
To divide the mixture into several groups.
No, it's another.
The ingredients and the steps to following.
No, not exactly. Who knows this is the letter A, exactly. Raisins and granola. Raisins and granola. Okay, guys, yes? So let me match this, okay? Raisins and granola, okay? So the number 2 goes with the letter A, okay? Thank you. Thank you, Emmanuel. Help me with your audio, please. Okay, there you go. The next, Mariana, the number 3, please. And then finally the number 4, Maleni, okay? Number 3, Mariana.
Of the step in the recipe is
one of the steps in the recipe is letter B, Marianita, or letter G?
B.
Letter B, exactly. Okay, very good, Mariana. Letter B, the number 3 goes with the letter B. Okay, yes, guys, you have to match them. And finally, Maleni, the number 4.
She made elements a recipe much came Ari.
Okay, and the answer
D.
is the letter D. Very good, guys. Okay, you have all of them correct. Copy them, please. Number 1 goes with letter C. Number 2 goes with letter A. Number 3 goes with letter B. And finally, the number 4 goes with letter D.